Kaya tao na dyan. Patuma na sa balay guys. Whatever na mo rescue, batayan, Villa del Rio 1, please lang. Please, tabang namin sa Villa del Rio 1. Bakayan, Cebu. Grabing saka sa tubig. Mamalihog ko. Contact, need me rescue ASAP. Need me speedboat for rescue.
The whole subdivision is flooded. The whole subdivision is flooded. My sister is on top of their house. My God! Lord, please stop! The whole sub...
Kinsa makapunta kog emergency, pwede pa apat-apang ni Diri Dapita Villa Azalea Kotkot Liluan, please. Please,